Lakeisha's 28. She lived on the estate all her life. Her mother had lived there since the 1960s. She moved to Bellingham when she was 15 from Grenada. Her family have lived in Bellingham for 40 years. Now the project, this oral history project, brought members of the local community together. And the sessions enabled the sort of tacit, implicit aspects of the meaning of this place to be articulated and to be documented and shared. But what I think was so extraordinary about what they achieved, I'm not sure that they really understood that's what they were doing, was it wasn't just a representation or a reflection of what the community had been and its past, but it was almost like the kind of enactment and reenactment of what it could be in the present and the future.